Galing kami sa clinic, nagpa-bakuna si Leon. Ayun. Kaso yung problema na siya. Pero so yan guys, tingnan nyo. Yun yung entrance, walang nakabantay. Ganito dito sa Ireland din talaga.
Oh, thank you. Ang cute naman. I like it.
St. Patrick's Day today. Say happy St. Patrick's Day. Ano yan?
Uy, karaoke! Akala ko niya ako niya. Uy, kumakapatin ako! Oh, sus naman. Kawawa.
Like and subscribe.
Hindi kita. Masyado malabo. Yun na, yung gusto yung kay Pen-Pen. Oh.
Can I get 1 milk Nutella tart and 1 devil's steak?
Ngayon, hey guys. Muulan ngayon. So today is March 13. And galing kami sa clinic, nagpa-bakuna si Leon. Ayun, may action. Leon, you okay? You okay, Leon? Ayun, 3 shots niya. So yun yung ano niya, 13th month na vaccine. So yun na din yung last niya. Ngayong baby siya. Yung susunod niya is ano na daw, pag junior infant na siya, yung ka-level na ni Pen, mga 5 years old. Fart? Fart? So yun, medyo maulan kaya nahirapan kami mag-video. Saka yun, syempre hindi naman kami nag-video sa clinic. Tapos yun. Yun, so for today's video, mag-ano lang tayo. Long weekend kasi dito sa Ireland. So yun, samahan niyo lang kami sa mga activities namin ngayon. So madami kaming plano, sana matupad. Oh, di ba manonood kami ng sine ni Pen-Pen bukas.
Mother's Day.
Tapos Mother's Day, nag-reserve ako ng dinner para kay Mama Hare sa Sunday. And then tingnan pa natin kung anong pang pwede mangyari. Tapos
Malakad tayo, di ba?
St. Patrick's Day sa Tuesday.
Ayun.
Oo, tapos yun. Pero mag-work kami ng Monday kasi busy. So, pero holiday ng Tuesday. So yun, so yun yung ating mga activities ngayon ng weekend. Samahan nyo kami.
The next morning.
Hey guys, good morning. So today is Saturday. And maaga pa, mga 7:30 pa. Tulog na si Mama pero gising na kami tatlo.
We're gonna hide the presents, and me and Papa are gonna watch Hoppers today.
Yeah, that's what happening today.
Yeah.
Kasi may Mother's Day dito sa Ireland. So kakaiba nga yung Mother's Day dito sa Ireland.
And
Kasi hindi siya yung normal na Mother's Day katulad sa Philippines na
we're hiding the. We're gonna hide the present that I got for her. I made at school.
yeah.
Now we're
So yun nga, iba yung Mother's Day dito compare sa Philippines. So Mother's Day dito is tomorrow na. So March 15. Ayun, may prepare si Pen-Pen sa school. Ibibigay daw niya kay Mama. Patingin, show it here. Pen. Show it.
I'll show what I read. You take care of me.
Pabasa.
Oops. It's a bit broken. I put it in
You
the
take
other
care of
one.
me. And then, can I see the whole thing? Oh, wow.
Sorry about this part. The strip.
Happy Mother's Day.
And look at the back. Really see that?
Ay, Ay, ganun. I love you, Mom. Ba't may tea time? Para sa kanya yan? Tea niya? She will drink that tea. Oh. And then get the letter. May pa-letter pa kami. Mama. Yun, pen. You. And me.
Okay. Do you want to see what's at the front, guys?
Yeah.
To the best mom, this is the world's best mom. I might not always tell you, but I hope you always see your love, your hugs, your friendship mean everything to me. I'm so lucky to call you my mom.
Oh.
And here's the card.
May isa dun. Tapo. Leon.
And this is the
No,
card.
no, no. No. Where's the card?
It's like a.
Envelope.
It's an envelope.
Let's go. You write it na.
Let's go right.
Pen, explain the first
Okay. Pen is done.
My first one is like I put a flower and a heart blue because tomorrow is Mother's Day, and like this is a slide, and this is the glass, and this is a
Akala ko
bench.
shoes.
No, that's
This,
a
Slide.
This is a bench, and this is the glass. This is a stars, and
Stars? What's this?
That's a heart balloon.
Hard balloon.
That's a park at night time na.
And it's a a blue sky.
Ang galing naman.
Not done with my other one.
Ay, okay lang yun. Just explain this in the vlog.
Galing natin.
This is a cat. And
What's
this
the name
is-
of your cat?
um,
That's Daisy's cat na.
I tried it out like this.
Oh, that's why it's black.
What's the name of it?
It's Willow.
Willow.
And this is like the blue sky. Not finished with it yet.
And then mama's art. Wow.
Kita ba?
Hmm. You like my jacket? Is it good?
Natin. Okay ba?
Nice.
Matching ba?
Patingin, nakaharap ka sa akin.
Size 6.
Oo, oo. Hey guys, nandito na kami sa bahay. Papakita lang namin yung nabili namin na discounted sa Regatta. First it. Ito kasing jacket ko. Hindi siya yung pangmalakasan, yung pangmalamig. Ano lang din siya, parang ginagamit ko din to kahit hindi winter. Kaso yung problema, na siya. Nasaan na? Ayun o. Dalawang L. Na Gusto kong nag-try kami bumili kasi since patapos na yung winter, may mga sale. So, nakita namin 70% discounted up to 70% discounted sa Regatta. So, yung pakita lang namin yung mga binili namin.
Ito ba yun?
Or forever sale siya man.
Small.
Ito yung kay
What do you
Pen.
think of?
Yung binili namin siya. Ganda, no? Tear na sila ni Mama.
Right after.
Ang original price niya is 140 euro. Tapos 42 lang namin siya nabili. 42. Oh, cute. Ayan. Tapos, next up, ito yung sabi ko na share na sila ni Mama Haro.
Pink.
Ayan.
Icing.
Ang price niya, ito ang pinakamahal.
Binili ko lang kasi nga magkakulay ni Pen.
220 euro yung original price, so 66 na lang siya.
220. Same brand kami, di ba? Ito mo yung logo namin parehas.
Dare to be.
Dare to bear.
Tapos ako ang pinili ko, which is hindi siya dalawang binili ko. Ito yung una, ito yung ipapalit ko doon sa regata ko na jacket. So 140 siya, original price, 42 euro na lang. Ayan, kulay green siya. Kasi laging black yung mga jackets ko. Maiba naman. Yan, nagustuhan ko siya actually. Medium siya.
Ayun, see?
Yan. Oh, di ba? Ready na for the next winter. Hindi, pwede ko itong gamitin sa spring, sa
Pag maulan.
autumn. Pag maulan din.
Kaya,
Ganda, oh.
you didn't put it back.
Paano ko makikita yung sarili ko na todo?
Mm.
Wow, that doesn't go there.
Ayan.
This goes there.
Tapos, may nakita si Mama Kare na pwede ko rin pang araw-araw, pang labas.
Must be how. Did I'm gonna use a light.
Actually, ano siya, gusto ko siya.
So I need
Ang price niya, original price niya 70 euro. Pero nabili lang namin siya ng 35. Mama, 35 lang to?
Ha? 30.
Half price. Half price siya. 50% off. Oh, may ano pa siya, mga packets sa loob. O diba, ang lakas makapayat din niya.
Dami. Ayun.
Ayan o. Oo.
Ganda.
Wag lang ako hinga kasi halata yung chan. Charot. Ayan. O diba, ang ganda.
Papayat.
Parang ang payat ko, no?
Ang ganda niya. Ang ganda din nakita.
Oo. Diba, ang ganda.
Ang galing napili
Todo.
ko. Oh, Koreano.
Korean. Diba? Sarang eh. Oh. Best Buy kami ngayon. Oh, mama, mag-deal muna tayo ng asi. Ayun.
Ano nga, alam mo yung ano naman, for ilang years mo na naman gagawin.
Oo.
2 years.
Oo, kasi bili mo din siya ng... Although kasi nga, di pa malamig dito. So,
Gamit
is a necessity. Yun
Gamit
nga.
na gamit sa atin yung mga ganyan. Everyday natin.
Oo.
ginagamit.
Ayan.
Maganda
Yung
nga
mga lang.
bumili ka pa ng ganyan eh.
Ano
Ibang
siya,
kulay.
nakakaano yun.
No? Dapat may ibang ka pang ganyan.
Oo,
Ibang kulay.
next time ulit siguro. Wag na muna ngayon. Yun yung aming lakad ngayong Sabado. Samahan niyo pa rin ngayon kasi marami pa kaming jump pack na gagawin. Nanood kami ng sine ni Pen Pen. Mga around 6 o'clock yun. Ayun nga, yun yung naging namin ngayon siguro, banding kay Pen, para iwas na rin sa screen time. Pero screen time na malaki pala yun, no, sine.
So, papakita daw ni Pen Pen yung itsura niya. Wait.
Ayun, so, since hindi pa namin
Saka yung bago
pwedeng,
version,
ayaw pa namin sama si Leon sa sine. Kasi, although tahimik siya pag nasa sinihan, kasi na-try namin siya sa theater, ayaw namin siyang isama kasi baka mabingi siya or maingayan siya sa sounds ng sine. So, yun. Ayan, dadalhin niya daw yan sa... Lika dito. Come here. Bilis. Dadalhin niya daw sa sinihan yan. What's that? Show it.
stitch bag and makeup.
What makeup is that?
I got that from over there.
Oh.
My mom got me a makeup set, lip oil, lip balm, and eye glitter.
Oh. And then may bago siyang Crocs.
Crocs.
Yan, puro ano kami ngayon. Gastos Saturday. So yun yung activity namin, and then yun, samahan niyo kami for today. Thank you.
I've seen those sleepless nights, sipped on the champagne life, New York City, high dollar tipsy, and I felt an LA sun, cruising up Highway 1, picture perfect, that red sting was worth it. I've been to some parties. See my name on marquees, red line in a black book.
Hello guys, kasama ko na si Pen Pen. Malapit na kami sa sinihan. What are we doing? What will we
We're
do?
gonna watch Hoppers,
Yeah.
but without Mama and Leon.
Yeah. It's a father and daughter bonding. Okay, so yun. Nandito na kami sa ano dito? Sa may malapit sa Jetland. Ang ganda ng sky.
Ennis Road.
Oh my god.
We're at
Blue na blue
Ennis.
sky.
Right now we're at Ennis Road.
Yeah, Ennis Road. Ito yung ayan, madalas din namin itong puntahan. Ayun yung pupuntahan namin. View. Cinema siya. Katabi siya nung, yun, Smith's. Diba ko nakita sa video. Yung Smith's ay yung favorite ni Pen Pen na toy store, right? Ayan.
I'm gonna get. Wait, we have to tell what we're gonna order. I'm gonna order a slushy and a candy, but I don't know what candy I'm gonna get.
Okay, let's see.
What are you gonna order, Pop?
Popcorn and Coke.
Okay.
Dito ka. Okay, so see you later.
Okay.
Say bye.
See you. Bye bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Ganda ng sky. Oh my god. Wow. Thank you Lord sa nice weather today.
Oh wait, I forgot to show.
Ayun yung Smith oh.
I have a new bag and I also
Pinakita mo na yan eh. Wait.
I have a new bag.
Ano ka na? Bili. Baka ma-late tayo. Push. Push. Push daw eh. Bakit ganun? Push sabi. Go, go, go. Yeah. What will you get, Pen? Oh wow, you want that? Okay, collectibles cup for 49 each.
Should I get that for my slushy?
Yeah,
Okay. Let's get it.
let's get one.
We need candy too.
Yeah. And then get a tin can there. Wag yan. Ito, yung wala laman. Yan na lang. Tapos, let's... Hi, can we have this and this with popcorn?
What drink in this?
Can we have slushy there?
Yeah. 2 seconds now. I just have to.
Pen, just stay here.
No, is that everything?
Can I have one Coke also?
Yeah. What size would you like?
The smallest one?
It's Pepsi. Is that okay?
Yeah, Pepsi.
It's 16.63. So please.
Included
Yeah.
popcorn. Yeah.
No, I'll just have to. There you go. Do you want
Wow.
2 flavor slushies?
Ito na yung popcorn namin. Wow. You love it, Pen?
It's Disney Picture Hoppers.
Wait, was it open this? I can't get it open.
Oh!
Sorry.
Hold my camera. Po si Pen. Do you like your Hopper's cup? Yeah.
It's 2 flavor.
What's the flavor?
Strawberry and blueberry.
Is it good? Slushy yung laman niya. So yun guys, tingnan nyo. Yun yung entrance, walang nakabantay. Ganito dito sa Ireland din talaga. Wala sila masyadong nagbabantay. So ewan ko kung paano nila ginagawa. May pwedeng mga makapasok dito nung hindi bayad. So I think we're Cinema 3. Wait, let me check. Let me check the ticket. What our seat? D7 and D8.
D7 and
D8.
8.
Okay, Cinema 3. Is this Cinema 3? Ah, this one. Ayan, Cinema 3. Can you pull it? Say hi. Hi. Are you excited? Did you enjoy the movie? It's good. What's the best? What's your favorite part?
When the villain got karma by dying. Eaten by the frog.
Rag, yeah.
The caterpillar.
Yay! Oh, let's go na.
But
Ayun guys, we're done na. Naglalakad na kami ni Pen pa uwi. Pero yun, papunta kami sa bus station. Yan yung sinihan. So yun, ano pala, regarding sa sinihan dito. Itong view, iba-iba yung price nung movie. Depende sa upuan mo. Kung mas malapit ka sa screen, mas mura siya. So starting siya sa $5.99 up to yung pinaka pagandang spot is $8.99. Dito lang yung sa view kasi hindi ano siya eh, sa ibang cinema, ibang sinihan, mas mahal pa nga actually yung Omniplex. Mas mahal siya. So yun. Mas okay kaming manood dito sa view kahit maliit yung sinihan kasi yun, mas malapit sa bahay and then mas mura nga siya. Ayun, so yun, yan yung prices kung mag-wonder kayo kung magkano yung prices sa cinema dito. Tapos yun, bumili nga kami nitong mga tin popcorn can and then yung ang tawag yan?
bottle with a figure
Yeah.
and straw. That was for my slushie.
Yeah, that's for slushy. Ang total niya na may food na €16. So yun. Yun lang ang aming cinema adventure with Pen Pen.
The movie was amazing, and I like how the villain got karma.
Yeah. Okay, so yan. Uwi na kami. Bye. Ganda oh. Ganda ng place. Sa gabi. Okay, let's go.
One eternity later.
Hey guys, nandito na kami sa Milano para sa para sa celebration ng Mother's Day. Ayan si Mama. Oh. Ito yung menu. Kit na menu nila. Buksan na natin. Ayan.
Baka maglasanya.
Mag-starter pa ba tayo?
Yeah.
Wow.
Anong starter gusto mo?
Leon, ate, are you ordering na?
Babe, may calamari sila. Calamari.
Yeah, I already ordered. I'll tell you what I got. Okay, wait. So I wanted to get, for the starter, I want to get a baked duck balls. For the main, I want to get the pizza with ham and mushroom. And for my dessert, I want to get a piccolo sundae.
$10.50 yung 3-course meal ng kids. Oh, mura no? $10.50 lang 3-course meal na ng kids. So yun, order muna kami.
I can my ham and mushroom pizza. Do you want some? I'm gonna change because I can't finish all of it. But look, I drew broccoli and
Ben, lower mo yung voice.
Mala.
What?
I drew a carrot.
Let me see your drawing at pen.
Ham and mushroom pizza.
Ayan yung order ni Pen. Anong tawag dito, Pen? Anong tawag sa order mo?
Baked duck balls.
Baked dough balls, duck balls.
Duh.
Tapos sa akin, calamari for my starter. At kay Mama ay... Ano sa'yo? Cajun prawn. Okay, let's eat, Mama. Okay. O yan, kay Mama Kare. Lasagna. Tapos ito sa akin. Okay na? Ricotta. Ayan, nantay na namin yung kay Penpen. Kakain na kami. Say hi, ito video pa yun. Busy si ate. Ayan, ito naman yung kay Ate Pen. Ano to, Ate Pen?
Mushroom and ham pizza.
Okay. Enjoy your meal. This is the main course na.
This is so yummy.
Yummy.
And it's so cheesy. This pizza is so yummy and cheesy.
What's your favorite? Ham, the mushroom,
I like the mushroom.
or the whole pizza?
I like the whole
Oh,
pizza.
you like the mushroom? Oh.
I like the whole pizza actually.
Wait, ako muna ba yun?
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4.
And then,
I'll eat one more pizza.
I think it's 6 slices.
Ito lang na.
Kumain na siya? Sa'yo?
Subuhan mo ulit. Subuhan mo sa pwede.
The themes. So the languages we have got is Italian, Portuguese, Russian, French, Chinese, Tagalog, Spanish, and Arabic.
Oh, Tagalog.
Okay, Alex, I'll be doing
Tagalog is included. Ooh.
section below. So everyone, go and
Okay guys, tapos na kami sa main course. So, habang natin namin yung dessert, may little surprise kami ni Penpen for you, Mama. Can you open her bag?
Yung surprise mo from school.
Kumain ko.
Parang alam ko to.
Nakita mo?
Yeah. Ito?
Nakita mo.
Wow.
May ano yan?
Open the lid.
Open the lid.
Oh, wow.
What does it
Says,
say?
Look at
I love you. And there's a gift at the back.
I love you pare?
You take care. Reasons why I love you. You take care of me. Yes, of
Tapos
course.
may pati siya.
May gift na tea.
A berry.
Berries tea night time.
One out tea at night.
Wow, yeah. I like tea, you know. Diba?
Tea at night.
Mama,
Yeah. Ay, sorry.
Nahirapan na.
Oh, thank you. Ang cute naman. I like it na. Thank you. It's
It's
from...
really hard on it. I did put green and pink.
Oh.
But I
Yeah.
also have the blue.
Hindi,
You want?
mama yung mic.
I like the color of it. It's from artwork from school. Na, Pen? Thank you.
Do you like the blue? Is the blue okay?
Or it's perfect. Thank you.
And show the letter.
I think I know where it came from. It's too obvious. Circle K.
Nakita mo ba kami?
Oo.
Kala ko di mo kami nakita.
Ito kasi, inano niya ako, binabalik niya ako. Sabi niya, ay, Mama, you have to go back.
Halata.
Thank you, baby. Magsay ka ba na? To the world's best mom, I may not always tell you, but I hope you always see your love, your hugs, your friendship mean everything to me. I'm so lucky to call you my mom.
And look at this side. I have a letter.
Oh, wow. Happy Mother's Day. I love you so much because you're the best mama. Love, Pen Pen.
And read Leon's one with the hand.
Yeah, I can see that. I think it's Leon's hand.
Tumigaw pa siya nung nagalit.
Ay, talaga. 1 year and 1 month. Thank you,
Huwag mo na
Fam.
basahin yung letter ko. Medyo ano siya,
Personal.
personal.
Basahin natin. Sarap.
Ano kasi, yung nilagay ko dyan, parang hindi na yung sobrang generic. Wow! Thank you. This is my cheesecake. Ito yung ano, strawberry syrup and kay mama is tiramisu. Ayun nga, yun nilagay ko mama na letter dyan. Ano, yung parang specific na nangyayari sa atin. Para ano siya, sobrang special kapag binasa mo ulit. Oh, ito pala yung nangyari sa atin. Parang ganon. Ayun, yan lang. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you loved our letter.
Thank you, Fam. Thank you, Ate Pen Pen, Papa and Leon. Thank you for the gift and for the gift of love. Thank you. Love you.
Which one do you like the most?
May ganon. Say happy Mother's Day again.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama.
How's the ano? How's the dessert?
Good.
Good. Malang. What are you having daw?
Raspberry sauce and ice cream.
Hmm.
So good.
The next day.
Hello guys, today is March 17, St. Patrick's Day today. Say happy St. Patrick's Day. Yeah.
Say happy St. Patrick's Day.
Yeah.
Can you put my hand?
Okay. So yun guys, St. Patrick's Day today. So holiday dito sa Ireland. Itong St. Patrick's Day yung I think pinakamahalagang holiday dito sa Ireland. And then yun, hindi lang din ito sineselebrate dito sa Ireland, sineselebrate din to sa buong mundo. Kaso yun, tapos na yung parade, hindi namin abutan kasi nagluto pa si mama ng karyoka. Actually hindi namin kasama si mama at si Leon kasi may sakit si mama. So kami lang muna ni Pen Pen ng gagala. Actually pupunta kami sa mga friends namin. May small gathering dahil nga St. Patrick's Day. So samahan nyo kami for today. Yun lang yung aming activity for St. Patrick's Day. And Pen Pen, wants to have what? Oh, slushy. Yeah. Let's check if there's slushy. Yun, yung mga since tapos na yung parade, nag-uwi na yung mga tao. Kami papunta pa lang. Ayun guys, nandito na kami, nakapila na kami sa slushy. What will you get?
I don't know.
You're undecided yet?
Friday.
Okay. Wait. Looks good. Let's go there. Pen here, pen. Ayan, papunta kami dito ngayon sa mini park dito. Check lang namin yung nangyari din. Punta na kami dun kay na Ryan. Ayan, ito. Looks like there's a show, Ben.
Wanna sit down somewhere?
Why? Okay.
So crowded.
Crowded?
Actually, nag-edit ako ng video dyan kanina. Tapos mo ba? Hindi, nasa cover page pa lang ako ng 2024 travel.
Paddy's Day ba talaga? Pang Pinoy yung Happy Fiesta. Hindi nga namin nabutan.
Sayang yung video ako hindi ko nakita.
Ah, meron? Ah, talaga? Sa Pinoy,
Hinabol nga nila daw yung...
Hinabol namin. Excited talaga, Ray. Excited sa...
Alin? Akala ko hinabol niya. Oh, kumakanta din ako!
Picture tayo. Ito.
Dito ulit, katulad ng last time.
Ah.
Ayan pala eh.
Parang dito na namin sa baba.
Yay! Happy Day! Spencer!
Go here, Pen.
Akala ko ako.
Dito ka, Pen. Ka dito, girl. Pen, you come here.
Ay, doon ka sa ano.
Here.
Doon ka sa share.
Yung mga single dito sa ano.
Mga bulinggit dito. Nakaupo mga bulinggit.
Kasha. Wala si Mark, kulang si Mark doon.
Okay na yan.
Bulinggit na.
Bulinggit.
Ayan. Ano tuloy ako, nakarma ako.
Bilis na si ano.
Kita?
Sa pa.
Dapat pala nag-green din.
Pati.
Yay! Happy Fiesta!
Kain. Nag-improve na tayo ng paper plate.
Isa, mami, yung plato nyo.
Salamat sa IKEA, sponsor natin.
Happy Paddy's Day!
Think I'd ever kept this for. Didn't think I'd ever find the one. Never thought I'd heal from a broken heart. No,